It's the police.
CID?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we are back to give you a seat rep.
Okay. Come in. So how did it go?
Honorable, are you sure that place you sent us is the right place? Because when we went there, we only saw 2 innocent children who are not capable of committing any crime. Actually, the reason why I'm saying this is because they are minors who are below the ambit of the law. And from my investigation, they are not capable of committing the crime, neither of thinking or executing anybody.
Officer, I had concrete evidence before I sent you to the place. Evidence to show that these children are culprits. And they are responsible for most of the deaths we have in my community.
Honorable, are you teaching us our job?
Not at all. I'm only trying to provide vital information to help the police solve the problem in my constituency. That's all I'm doing.
Honorable, we have to leave now.
Okay. Just wait a minute. Not until I've given you transport. Just 1 minute. It's not easy. That's it. For your transport and a little shopping.
Thank you so much, Honorable.
It's all right.
We promise you that our eyes will always be on the target.
Exactly.
Trust.
Alright, we'll be on our way now.
Yeah, we will.
It's all right.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. Police! Look at the policeman! Where are those policemen? Have they gone? Hey! Police here! Police, come, they are here.
Honorable, what is that again?
They are here.
Huh?
They are here.
Who is here?
The little children.
What?
Come and see things for yourself, Biko. Biko. Come and see things for yourself. They are here.
Where did they now? Should we say they live here? Where did they?
Yes, they were here.
So how did they come? Because as we go, we didn't see anybody. We didn't see them.
When you people left, they appeared here.
As ghosts or apparitions?
No, they were physical. Njakri, go back. They were physical.
Honorable, I advise you go and take 1 bottle of beer and sleep. You need to rest. Huh?
Are you saying that I'm hallucinating?
Honorable, with all due respect, you're stressed out. I need to rest.
Yes.
Just do exactly what my colleague has told you to do and take a nap. I believe after everything, you're going to be fine. Alright? Officer, let's go.
What kind of Ogrigada is this? No. Eh? What have I put myself into in this village? And where are those policemen? I hope they have not gone. They suggested I should take the beer and rest my head. If it were when I was a bedroom tactician, I would have even gone to hire one equipment with Kelek. But you see, the way women reach monopause is also the way we reach Papa Boss. So no equity can help me now. Even the one with crossing belt leg.
Because you have power, because you have money, right. You are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are wicked man, you are evil.
Officer, we think they worry this man.
Nah, I wonder. I think he's politically stressed out now. That's why he always sees apparition and fictitious images. You know now.
No, that may enter this man's head.
Which one be say make you no enter your head? The main thing be say he do already pay us for rendering the services. So make you do the drink Panadol for Bessie because I no go follow you.
Abi?
Now. Let me go. They go, Joe.
Don't finish, mama.
We don't finish now. Waiting again.
Yeah, that's all.
That was what they said before they left. Yes.
In fact, I am telling you that nobody will even believe our claims. That is where the whole thing is bad. Huh? They will even see us as trying to oppress the orphans.
You are very right. We are in trouble.
But Honorable, you are the one who put me into this trouble.
Me?
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
You know what I'm talking about. Was it not because of the land that we did what we did?
You and who did? What did we do? And what did you do?
Let's not go into that. It's a long story. Eh? But first and foremost, let us find how we will bring down these rats and get them out of our ways.
Now you are reasoning like Uzoka. I used to know. Leave that to me. There's no problem without a solution. Okay? I know what to do.
If you say so.
Yes. I got money. Oh, yeah, boss, and me.
Hey! We go finish them. I dey tell you, them very best. They go look for love. They no go see us. I dey tell you. I can see everything turning around. Everything turning around. Everything turning around for our good. I can see everything turning around. Everything turning around. Everything turning around for our good. We can see everything turning around. Everything turning around. Everything turning around for our good.
Okay, Kitty. I don't sound a drug. Oh, again.
That is it, wise one.
Speak no more. The gods are wise. Your request is just a simple one. If you oil the palms of the gods.
The oil is not the problem.
Oh.
The problem is the results. So if you can help me achieve results, then you will know why I'm called Honor. Honor come.
I know.
Come. Ijibide go to come first anointing.
Oh!
Before the main thing.
Oh! Odogu.
This one is for Ntrodon Kowa.
Oh! Listen, I heard the loud voice of the God saying, it is done. Go home and rest and allow the God to do the rest.
Good.
Go home.
I'm going home. Not only to rest, but to sleep.
Bam.
With my 2 eyes closed.
Bam.
Just like you have directed.
Yes.
Okay.
Akrika. Oh? Go home and rest.
Okay,
you will hear the result.
It's alright. I'm done. Okay.
I'm not a baby, not done. Don't know pause. Azubra, sir.
Evil man. Sinners, they always run whenever they see something. Anytime when you see them, they go they run. Nobody they push them. See dog, they even back them. Na so, na evil man. Evil man. One day or bagide or that one no go.
Uzoka! Uzoka! What were you running from?
Oh, so you didn't even know why I was running. You started running with me.
Did I have a choice?
All these Maziokro's children. I met them on my way coming. Then I have to escape for my life.
Oh, thank God. I ran after you. I was coming from Akreka where I went to consult him to help us against these children.
So what did Akreka say?
Well, he promised to do something quickly and decisively too.
But why all this while? Why didn't we remember about Akreka?
Well, personally, it's packaging for me because I was trying to do it in a way to seem as if it was government that dealt with them.
You see the result?
You know, so...
The packaging with your safety. Let Akreka, let him expedite action. Let him do quick. Before these urchins kill us like they killed others.
Yes.
Honor,
yes.
I was actually coming to your place to discuss same issue. What do we do?
What else? I got much I can't. It is, we have to wait for Akreka. Huh? We have to wait for... Uzokoso!
Ndala.
Is that not a Okoro daughter? How can you pass me by without saying a word of greeting to me? Come back here quickly. Come back here! I said come back here quickly!
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon. Are you not Okoro's daughter? Yes. There is something. There's something wrong.
What be that?
How can you pass an adult on the road without say a word of greeting to her? Eh?
Okay. You're the adult. Oh, sorry. Good afternoon, ma. Hi.
Because I call you back.
Sorry, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Tata. I forgive you. But be careful. Tata, be careful.
Good afternoon, ma.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Okosiri onwe ya, the digital dibia with a resounding dibialistic brouhaha. And the Babaolik jingoism, the Kaka Gogo. Abara. Show me what's up. Will the man succeed in his quest to deal with those children?
No try am. Don't give them any hope because na the girl go deal with am.
Hey! Cha! Their laptop. When did you learn how to speak like Niger people and speaking pidgin English?
Boss, leave that thing. Don't be practice dey make perfect. And when you go to room, you give like romance.
Abi, so you don't become Nigeria by induction?
Why not if not? I decided to come down to your level for better understanding of ourselves during transaction.
Transaction? Yeah. So now broken we go to use now.
You are in the spirit. And boss, don't forget to give me my own share before you travel.
Travel what? Travel. Sorry. Who told you that I'm traveling?
Point of correction. Please use pidgin English.
Hey! Oh, gee. Atom.
Are you speaking in tongue?
No, I'm talking to myself. Singing. Hi. Okay. I dey talk say who tell you say I want who tell you say I want travel?
Boss, you don't doubt my spiritual abilities. If you don't get it, you can forget about it. Just give my share.
Hey, keep my share. Anyway, no wahala. Now wetin we go do about that man? About the honorable? Yeah, no verse. Abeg, you don dey verse already. Abeg, no verse. May I go bring your own share? Come. Hey.
Why you stop? My mind dey tell me say person dey follow us. Person dey follow us what? I no see anybody. I don't know, but my mind just dey gossip me say the person wey dey follow us no be from this village. Make we reach where we dey go first. Na that one dey my lane. After that one, we fit find out who dey go first.
You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit. This is judgment day. You must pay. for all your evil deed.
See your share, oh. Now your share with this.
No, 40%, no, not 20.
How do you know that the money is not up to 40%?
Pidgin English, please.
Hey. Ha. Oh. Okay. How you take Sabi no say the money no reach 40%?
Because I dey for spirit. Ihe anyị na-eme egbu ihe emu.
Oh, yeah. Hey, they call the laptop. Oh. Laptop, you don't speak Igbo. Hey, you don't speak Igbo.
Wetin man go do now? On wayo. And abeg go complete my money before them go reach.
Me and okay, me don't speak for parable. I don't understand this one. I go complete your money. Here. Hey. Yeah. Your laptop, this your gragra don't do too much. Oh. Your gragra don't do too much. Oh. I don't understand though.
What is it? Which is good.
Now who na dey look for?
Before you come now.
Now what you go do for now?
I hear say your hand there for the people who kill our papa and our mama.
Who told you this?
You say, now you prepare the juju now. Where did they use Jesus? Right? Toby.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Are you serious? You dey guilty. You dey guilty for the blood of our mama and papa. You don't know that one?
Yeah. At the verse. Before I closed my eyes and opened it, both of you, whether disappear or vanish, I don't know, but both of you would have disappeared or vanished for here. I'm not in a good mood though. Let me close my eyes. And my eyes are already closed.
Okay, open now, we'll never go.
You there, balance like Balenciaga.
Open now. No, they get anywhere.
I still there here.
You still there.
When I still there here. Okay.
Akrika, you just flashed my phone and I called you back. And you are asking me to introduce myself to continue. Well, this is Honorable Okam.
Dear Honorable Caller, the owner of this one has just passed on to the great beyond.
Akrika, what kind of prank is this? Pranks are for children. Why are you setting me up? Are you on my job? Akreka caught the phone on me after I paid him ego. Huh? Uzoka.
Honorable, have you heard the latest?
Heard what?
Akreka is dead.
Which Akreka?
The one you know, Akreka Nwadibia.
I just had a call with him now. And he was telling me that the owner of the phone had passed to the great beyond.
Honorable, are you sure it was Akreka you spoke with? Or was it the voice of one of those people who went there to see his dead body?
Uzoka, are you confirming the story?
Honorable, you don't know me with Eko Waja. Eh? I'm telling you the truth. Eh? Akreka is gone. Ujebego like others.
Hey, Uzoka, I'm afraid. I am now afraid of my own life.
The same thing with me here, my brother. Same thing with me.
Uzoka, please come to the house now.
All right, I'm coming right away.
What's going on?
It's time for revenge. Inflict harm and return. It's time for revenge. You have no place to hide.
Good afternoon, Sam.
Come, stop here. Now we dey greet Sama.
Fine.
Ndala. Must they go alone? Nonsense. Let us go to Okama's place. Go and Cardinal look his own. They go run for this village. They go run. They go die. They will go.
The era of fear is gone. Now they are out to inflict in return. There was well. Now they are indestructible, and nothing can penetrate them. You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit.
What is it?
I saw those rascals as I was coming to your house to discuss the death of Akreka. I don't know why they are chasing me, following me all over the places.
Cherekwa, where did you see them?
Along the road.
Did they talk to you?
Yes, they did. They did talk to me.
And what did they say to you?
As a matter of fact, I was the one who spoke to them first, but it was under an influence beyond my control.
Yes. What did you say to them?
Honorable, you know that a man who is in trouble cannot control his actions all the time. Eh?
Yes. So what did you say to them?
I didn't know when I greeted those children.
You did what? You greeted them as to good afternoon?
With Mao. Ma attached to the greeting.
So, you greeted them, good afternoon, ma.
Honorable, I greeted them, but I'm sure it must have been under an influence beyond my control. Otherwise, I can't see how I, Mazi Uzoka, will open this my mouth to greet those midget who cannot even stand before my children if they were alive.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you to start remembering your misfortunes. Otherwise, if your children and your wife did not die in that mishap, how would you ever, or how would these children be treating you this way?
Never! That's why our people say, proverb, that if a big tree falls, women will climb on top of it and then cut it in pieces and use it as firewood.
Yes.
Honorable, I was actually coming to discuss the death of Akreka with you before.
Yes.
I met them.
I'm now convinced, fully convinced that those children have a hand in what is happening in this land.
Honorable, even the villagers know. But everyone is afraid for his or her life.
But are we going to continue this way and allow them to keep terrorizing us?
To tell you the truth, myself, I have lost confidence.
Mbano.
I have lost hope.
Mbano. But how can you lose hope? Are you not a man? Are you not a community leader? If you lose hope, what would you expect your people to do? Let me get drink for us to forget this sorrow.
What can a man do? I think we need that drink now more than ever.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
These children, I can just kick like ball.
Okay. What are we now? Yeah, play. Just the watch. My orange mouth very. Play. Calm down now, let me have it in my book. Okay. I say hold on now, hold on. Pick two. Continue. Pick two. And last card. Did I pick two? Yeah. I don't win. Win this side. I don't win. Why that one? Not be me they win. Okay, for me they win. I don't tire yourself. Even myself, not go inside to go. Okay. After I go continue. Boy, no side don't win you for this. Not be me they win the other time. I'll forget that too. Hey.
Good afternoon to you,
Good afternoon, Oga Madam. Please, we are looking for the children that are living here with you.
Yes.
Are you not the one I'm talking to?
Let's say they be deaf and dumb.
Calm down. Alright, okay, sir. We are policemen.
Yes.
We are looking for the children that are living here with you.
Yes.
Please, do you in any way know their whereabouts?
Officer, everything. Hey! Officer! Nagosto! Ghost! Run! Hey!
I mean, they hear noise. No, they even don't say the policeman. No, they can't be. I don't know. Yeah. She still no be spirit. Which kind of spirit? Let's you get with spirit. Oh, an African spirit won't come visit us. Why you won't come visit us? We be spirits. We get anything to do with spirits. Maybe not dream now. Which kind of dream? You don't sleep by that time. I never sleep.
Now goes with that thing we will see for the house.
Oh boy. I don't tire. Thank God they don't even kill us. That one for worst.
You don't say what thing they want to be saying over here. I tell you, say we will not go this investigation. You say no. Now you don't see her.
No verse. Thank you so much. I know they investigate again. I don't tire.
Oh, your report.
There was no suspicion about the children. You know now.
Yeah. Myself, I know one die. Because if I die now, nobody will take care of my children.
The main thing be say, thank God say we see their life. They no kill us. I beg.
Where we go?
Where will they go?
Hey!
I am ready.
You are ready for what? Ready for action. To kill all our enemies with my bare hands. Uzoka, are you sure you are still seeing clearly? The way I see you now, you are upside down. God forbid. How can I, Uzoka, be upside down when I'm still standing on my 2 feet? Kitikbam. Eh? Yeah?
Honorable. 1, 2.
How come? You are the one who is seeing double. Eh? You are the one seeing double. What you call it, kettle black? It's okay. You better be going. Because I want to sleep.
Yes, sleep.
If you see those your girlfriends on the way, tell them that I, Honorable Okam, send my greetings.
Okay. I think that's the best thing to do. I will go and start looking for them one by one at Mazio Close house, and then send your greetings to them. Yeah, Honorable. Am I still Uzoka?
Did you change your name?
No, because I am thinking another thing in my mind. But another thing is coming out of my mouth.
It's good. It's very good. It's very good because...
Oh, don't laugh. That's what is happening.
It's very good, madam. Because it means you have double personality. It is called dual personality.
Dual highway.
Which is good though. It's good because if those girls see you now, you will be two in their eyes. And they will not know which one. They'll be so confused to know which one to assassinate.
Ijia, that's a nice one. I think this is the right time for me to go now that I'm double. So that if I meet them, they will kill the wrong one. Let me go. Where is my eye? Where are my eyes? My eyes.
Look for them. Look for them.
Okay, where is my eyes? Eyes or ISIS?
Look for your eyes.
They can't be far away.
They can't be far from you. Have you seen them?
I have seen them. They were playing prize because they were double personality.
Okay. I want to say farewell until we meet to part no more. Let me see. Uzoka one nego. Uzoka boke bapo one nego nik. Ojocha lamo tabuku ego uzoka. Nketali fokwali kunnegish. Uzoka. Ikunnege kubukwe n'elu nkwụ.
Joy! Uzoka nwayo gwao. Ojuju kalaba. This is the honorable gateway. Ojuju kalaba nwayo. This man want to begin follow. Honorable! Baba yo. I don't go. If we see, we see. If we don't see, we see. Ojuju kalaba. Ojuju kalaba. Ojuju kalaba.
My children, those who have soiled their hands on our blood, you must seek after and kill. You are doing well, but the two remaining ones you must make to confess before you send them to us.
Papa, if we can't finish the task, what will we can't do again?
If you finish the assignment, call Nage and go and stay with her family.
Papa, how you want make we deal with the remaining two people?
If they submit themselves to you, do not harm them. But if they try to hide from you, seek after them and kill them.
Oh, I dream with this. You dream? I dream now. I dream where we sit down with Mama and Papa. And Papa they tell us how we feel kill those people waking up. And the same thing. Come tell us say after everything, after the assignment, we will go call and teenage. We will stay with them. I hear that one. But when Mama they talk, maybe she dey vex for those people who kill them. No, she no fit dey vex. Now respect she dey give Papa. How Papa go dey talk, Mama go dey talk. Check am now. Now respect she dey give Papa. True. You say Mama na respectable somebody. Yes. Okay. You respect somebody. Okay. You say today na your turn to cook. You go cook na no job. Oh, go for something.
Ojuju Calabar. Ojuju Calabar. This Bible says, the Bible says, give drink to anyone who want to perish. Not drink a kakai. Let him drink and perish. Eh? Oh, am I perishing? No, Mazuzoka will not perish. Who knows Mazuzoka?
Are you saying you're not seeing me? It is Uzoma.
Uzoma, my love. Uzoma, my love. Uzoma, my love. Farewell. Let me go and perish. But am I going to perish? I don't have pain. I will not perish.
Are you sure you're okay? This man is drunk. But I don't know him to be like this. Where is he coming from? He really loves me. Soma. He won't leave people alone with their problems. That's his business. Oh,
I know the world is gonna. I don't know where carry us go there. Who go see Mazuzoka? No. If that one serious, now go to run like in the rabbits. I go suggest me you go see Okam. Then you know what's in the plan. Only me, Abi. No, go see it. Yeah, now go. Yeah, go see it. Go now. Cause they wait for you. No, no, just there for us in kitchen. I go find something now. Now they be.
Now, how may I help you? This one you have remembered to pay me a visit.
okay, I saw you yesterday in a condition I have never seen you before. And I decided to come see how you have felt ever since then.
You saw me yesterday. Where?
You mean you don't remember seeing me?
Uzoma, if I have seen you yesterday, why should I pretend that I didn't see you? Where did I see you?
Hey. Mazuzoka, I saw you on Uzeyi, but you looked like someone that is so drunk. I mean, your appearance yesterday wasn't good. You looked drunk.
Uzoma, the things that are happening in this village can drive a man into any kind of habit, including being tipsy from time to time. I mean, without a wife and the children, how can a man cope? And that is why sometimes you see, I'm all over you. Huh?
I understand. Mazuzoka.
Yes.
Anytime you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. Okay? I will always be there for you. You know, right now, I'm all alone. No husband, no children. So I think your prayers has finally been answered.
Uzuma, anytime you begin to sound like this, I begin afresh to regret why I didn't marry you.
You don't have to. You don't have to regret. It wasn't your fault. Your parents never wanted us. They insisted that we will not get married. Look at where we are now. Single and available for each other.
Uzuma, you never cease to be a kind-hearted woman. Eh? But now, is there a possibility of me marrying you now?
In Ajokwaju. You can never cease to amaze me. Look at you. Are you asking? Have you forgotten how you used to call each other our names? Then you used to call me Uzum.
Uzum.
Then I used to call you Uzum.
Yes, that's your road. I'm your road, then you are my joyful noise.
Even now.
Hey. Yes. So, Uzum, you just came at the right time before I have ruined my entire life. Eh?
See, let's not talk about that. I will always come and keep you company. Really? Okay? Yes. So I will always come and keep you company, help you do some house chores.
What will I tell my friends and other people who will ask me about you?
Tell them that you hired me as your house help just to keep me busy because I lost my husband.
Hey, you never cease to be this wise. Eh? That's all you remember. Very clever. Eh? Oh my God.
Only like me.
Hey.
Uncle Kibo.
Indeed. You are not Torotoro. You are not agriculture.
Meanwhile, can I start my house help child now?
Why not if not? Eh? If I let me go and show you around inside the house.
No, you see, they said they found nothing incriminating on the children and that they are too minor to be associated with crimes like murder and all that. Oh, that one, that one died as soon as I paid his fees. Where go for that matter? Yes. I gave us. I have a to work. Hello, Uzoka.
Honorable Ogene, why are you not talking?
Is this evil children? No.
Who?
The devils that have been tormenting us.
Hey, did they touch you?
No. One of them just appeared and disappeared.
Appear and disappear. Have they become ghosts?
Jomi, where are you?
I am in my house.
Please, come over to my house, please. Let's discuss.
catch me on the way. Honorable, let us keep it for another time.
Hey, oh drop, call, oh. Hey! This man is too afraid for my liking. Huh? What is all this? Oh. Huh?
I don't give you. Give me that bread now, man. Your mind now, you move finish. She say you want to use this cutlass. Cut this bread. I bring bread. I use this cutlass because no, they complain. I know they give you this bread. I know go give you. If you want to cut this bread, go kitchen, go bring better knife. Because I don't know why you don't get sense. No, they behave like village boy. You not gonna give me this bread. I know they give you. You know to get sense. You be move. Yes. You know what you say? If I use this big cutlass now, cut this bread now, you go be equal and you go benefit person. You see what I say? You know wise. You be mumu. Go bring knife. Me we use cutter. If you know the cutter, I go chop am alone. Oh, guys, see this knife. Now I go use cutter. Oh yeah, I like it or not. Then we say you no want chop bread now. We no go chop am. Everybody go just yes for this place. No go chop this bread. Choka mi bumado. Because my sister. Oh fear. Nobody to chop am. This I no get sense. See your small brain. This I no get sense. Oh, this I go enter inside now. Before I come out now, you go chop the bread. So I don't know. You don't get sense. You don't get sense at all. So for your mind now, if you finish this bread, will big pass you. Nah. This bread will be like you. This I go finish am. Go now you will be small, but my small body big engine. Nonsense. Oh yeah, now. No wait. No even chop that bread though, because I won't go bring am. I dey look you. My eyes are on you. No chop that bread though.
Hey, what's up? You too like fresh food.
Now, so that I will look fresh like you.
Awesome, let me run along, so that I'll come back on time and prepare food for you.
Please, Ozoma, don't waste time. Don't want to die of hunger.
Ozoma, you will not die of hunger. I will come back on time, okay? So, go inside and rest, so that I will come back very soon and make food for you to eat. Go in.
I won't go. I will stay here to make sure you come back in time.
Okay, keep on standing. Remain here. Don't go inside. Remain here. You like your fresh food. Remain here. Don't go inside.
So I will look fresh like you. Ozoma. Wonderful and joyful noise.
My mind dey tell me say this whole big pass my own.
No big anything. Nonsense. See, I'm not the same thing.
Still no dey equal. You know dey equal.
So what is that right?
I want measure am. You know dey equal.
Oh, I take measure. Come on, say equal. See, now equal. You know they see now equal. They give me a break.
Why you come with that see?
Because your eyes too big. It's that you.
I don't go chop my own now. Make I go put am. If you finish the assignment, I go use am cool body.
I don't grow.
How owe you? Make I go keep my own. If you finish your own, if you come back, we go rest. I know.
Right after the assignment, I'm going to go to the factory. You take it.
Don't go kill yourself. Oh. No, they look me. Chop better food though. See, you want to cover your own too.
This is a best thing. Yeah, that's my fucking. My own day for inside now, no. Now the difference with that. I'm back.
This man, you're too stubborn. I told you to go in and rest. You insisted on staying here. Okay, now I'm back. I'm back. I'm sorry now. I know you're too hungry. See, I'm back from the market. Let's go in so that I'll prepare something for you to eat. Okay, I'm very sorry if I stayed long. You know how it is in the market now. No beam. No beam. Jesus. Jesus.
Oh my God! That's so wow. Don't happen, no. Don't happen to say don't happen. Hey, one man down, one more to go. Yes, so. Hey, go. Papa and Mama go they happy for us because of what you done did. And then give us the power now. Yes. Go back. But now, you go to sheriff for Mazu Utoka.
Yes, so people go down there now, they cry, they curse us.
Not us, they curse. They know who do the thing. They know who they cause the wahala for this community. They don't know. If you know one more person, what's with that person? Haha, everything don't settle now. This person just calm down. Long life and prosperity.
Happiness of our parents, choose. Sadness of our enemies, choose.
That woman, there's nothing that woman will tell me. She has a hand in Mazuzoka's death. In fact, she killed him.
How do you know that she's the one that killed him?
What I say? It's crystal clear. It is so obvious. Fine. What was she doing in his house? Is she the wife? Who is she to him?
I don't know.
That woman has a hand in Mazuzoka's death. In fact, she killed him. And I'll make sure that she's dealt with.
I don't know, but...
That woman is a witch. She's a witch! She killed Mazuzoka, and I will make sure that she's dealt with. Me, Ikedi, I will make sure that woman is dealt with. Let's go. Let's go. Open Madu. Very foolish woman.
If these children are executing all these atrocities, then we're in trouble. If you allow these people, they will ruin my political ambition in this constituency. But I will not allow them. But then, it is one who is alive that talks about strategies. He who fights and runs lives to fight again. I know what to do. Hello? Hello? This person is not talking. Eh? What is all this?
Tata! Baba! Auntie is here. Ew.
Auntie, wake up.
What are you eating? How are you?
I'm fine.
Carry. I miss you people. Hey, Tata! What have you been eating? Bang. See these children. You are looking.
If you fail to lick your lips, the Hamadan wind will do it for you. By the time they know what is happening, or coming ripple from this village, only to come back when things must have calmed down. And when I come this time, I will enter that land and I will enjoy it, and enjoy it forever. Hey, you may tear Pele.
So we're not going to leave this house. I want to leave this house now.
Dada, my husband sent me here to come and get you. And you're telling me you no fit follow me?
We not fit follow you. Lie, you no go work.
Why won't it work?
Because we never finish the work where our mama and papa said they would do. Bam.
What work? Huh? What work? I'm asking you, what work?
But I mean, you know, ask you.
What won't I ask you?
We not fit tell you.
I need you to tell me, what work are you doing for your parents? You know they talk again?
That I just tell her. She be her aunt. I don't trust her. No tell anybody.
Shut up.
No tell
Me
anybody.
No
tell anybody. Oh. That I tell her. Auntie.
Again.
You know those people who kill our mama, papa. What do you call those?
Shut up. How am I supposed to know the people that killed your papa and mama?
By we telling you.
Yeah, you tell me.
I beg Tata continue. You know where that honorable, that man what they call honorable, and all those men, all those people where we don't kill.
Wait. What did I hear?
Kill now. Oh.
You killed?
It shock you. Oh, it shock you. Yes, now they killed our papa and our mama because of their land. And we still get assignment to retaliate against them. So the assignment is Chibok.
Chimo? Wait. Do you know this is against the law?
We shall be against the law. We not do anything. I better leave that thing. Calm down. Then they don't know say they're against the law before they kill.
Listen, do you know that God said that shall not kill?
Then we don't kill our parents instead.
Shut up, parents!
I bet then they supposed to say that one. You go what? Don't to my mind. If you do me, I do you. God no go vex.
Wait. Do you know that the government can come against you?
May they come against those people who kill our parents for our parents. May they go against them. Why you vibrate? Killing no be new thing. See, Tata, we don't waste our time. We don't go finish assignments. No, go finish. Auntie, no worry. Nothing will happen. We will go finish our assignments. We will come back. But we will go out.
Hey! These children, they are no longer innocent.
Now they're undestructible, and nothing can penetrate them. You thought you have killed them all. No, you cannot kill the spirit.
So, as it's been now, no see now only you there. Waka go there now. So make you just go there, go run the things. No allow her make you go. Go no as you go take to and make you hold on for that place. Make you go. I know what to do. I go just there around there, arrange some things. Nope. Yeah, go do now. So we say now only you go there.
can only run, but you cannot hide. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away from them. These children are ready to avenge. You cannot run away.
No try more. Say one on a bit.
What is this?
I'm over with this. Shop.
Hey, please. I have a lot of money here to give you.
Man, so you want bribe die? This money you won't give me now. You go bring back my pa and my mama where you kill.
Honestly, I did not kill your parents.
But you pay people who can't kill her. You even use your money shut others up.
Hey, look, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I paid the man, Lucas, who came to ask for the land. And it was also my dogs that killed your parents. And I paid the elders to shut them up. And it Uzoka was my partner in crime.
Now, you will pay with your life. Go down.
What?
I said go down!
Wait.
Boy,
What just happened now? So these children have been innocent. But because of this singular act, we need to arrest them.
Honorable is dead.
Don't worry, we need to arrest the children. Let's go to their house. Let's go.
What a world with wicked people everywhere. They are busy. Collecting what does not belong to them.
Go, Tata.
be fast!
Auntie Neji is there, just go. Peacefully, just go. Peacefully follow them. Because
you have power, because you have money, you are busy collecting what belongs to the poor. You are a wicked man, you are evil. If they drag with you in any affair, you will render the children orphans. They did nothing to you, why do you take their life? You have taken the land. Why the killing? Oh, Mama Robin, oh, Eberema Kwali, Organic